Hi Choice Kitchen, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I make this easy grilled sea bass fish and tuna yam with tomato sauce. So let's get started. To begin with, you want to add a reasonable amount of olive oil to your dry pan. After that, when the oil is hot, you want to go in with your blended red bell pepper and onion, garlic, ginger. So saute that for 10 to 15 minutes. After that is ready, you want to go in straight with your seasoning. I've just added my salt and I'll go in with my paprika, and next I'll go in with my curry. So the seasoning is of choice. Whichever seasoning you feel like adding to your sauce, you are very free to add. These are the ingredients and these are the spices I like to use, so this is why I'm telling you. So after that, you want to combine your spices and your red bell pepper together and leave that to cook for 20 minutes. So friends, after that is cooked, you want to go in with your seasoning cube. I'm just going to throw in my seasoning cube, and after that you want to get a cling film paper, drizzle some oil into the cling film paper, then add your washed fish. This is sea bass fish. It's cleaned from the fishmonger, so you can see it's well cleaned. In and out is clean from the fish. So now I'm going to mark my fish, hence the tomato sauce penetrate into the fish. So next, after you are done cutting the fish, you want to add some salt or flavor to your fish. So at this point, after adding the flavor or salt to your fish, you want to go in with your fried bell pepper we did earlier on. So spread through the fish. Make sure the fish is well coated with the tomato sauce. Try to coat the fish front and back, not just the top of it. Yes, I didn't mark the fish at the bottom, at the back side, because I don't want it to break. So after that is done, you want to wrap your fish with your clean paper and direct to the oven and bake for 20 minutes. So next, this is my yam. It's already peeled behind the camera. So I'm going to drizzle some oil, olive oil, and go in with my fried tomato sauce. So after that, I'm going to combine together, then cover it with a cling film paper and oven together with the sea bass fish. So next, before I wrap the yam, I'm going to add some spring onions to add extra flavor to my yam. So friends, I couldn't wait for the outcome of my grilled steamed fish. This is the outcome of the grilled steamed fish. It's looking moist, delicious, not too dried and not overcooked. The same as the yam, it was cooked as well because I cut the yam in a small bite size. So guys, I ended it up with some amount of spring onions for a better look. As you can see, it's looking really a mouth-watering. Please follow, share, subscribe to this page for more update. Thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for watching and thank you for sharing. Thank you. Thank you. Stay blessed. See you next time on another episode. Bye.